In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Wix site to a Stripe account, making it easier than ever to accept payments online. This process is incredibly straightforward and, once completed, will provide you with a smooth and efficient way to manage transactions directly through your site. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your site's dashboard. First, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of your account. From there, locate and select the specific site you wish to connect to Stripe. Once you've done that, you're on the right track to setting up your payment gateway. Now, let's configure the payment settings. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel. Find the settings option and click on it. This will lead you to a variety of options for managing different aspects of your site. Here, look for Accept Payments and give it a click. If you're having trouble locating it, you can always use the search box conveniently placed at the top of the dashboard to search for Accept Payments directly. Once you have accessed the payment settings, scroll down until you find the option to see more payment options. Under this section, you'll want to look for a section labeled Third-Party Credit Debit Card Providers. This is where we can add and manage external payment solutions such as Stripe. Click on See Options next to this section. Now we're ready to connect Stripe to your site. You will see a list of available payment providers. Next to Stripe, click on Connect. This connection process is slightly different depending on whether or not you already have a Stripe account. For those of you with an existing Stripe account, your task is easy. All that's needed is to click Connect again, which will prompt you to sign in with your Stripe credentials. Follow the steps as prompted and you'll be able to link your account in no time. If you don't already have a Stripe account, no worries. You will have the option to create a Stripe account. Simply follow the instructions provided, which will guide you through the process of setting up your new account from scratch. It's quick and intuitive, ensuring you'll be up and running smoothly. Finally, once your account is connected, it's crucial not to overlook the verification process. Follow any emailed instructions from Stripe to verify your email address and ensure all necessary steps are completed to finalize the connection. Once this is done, your Stripe account is officially linked to your Wix site, ready to accept payments, and there you have it, a simple, user-friendly method to connect Stripe to your Wix site.